So let me ask you this. Why live here?
When you could be living here in beautiful downtown Crestline, California, right across from Lake Gregory Regional Park, walking distance to the grocery store, some of the best pizza in the area, the library, the skateboard park, the dog park, at all points in between. And would you believe this is actually rush hour? Come along with me, we'll take a look at the house. You're gonna love it. Thank you for joining me today as I take you on a really quick walkthrough of our newest listing here on Zurich Drive in beautiful downtown Crestline, California. This is the entry to the property. It's a beautiful foyer with a dramatic staircase that leads up to the main level. Before I walk you through though, here's the specifics on it. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, Prow front home. Now, if you know our area and you know our housing styles, you know that Prow fronts are one of the most desirable floor plans on the entire mountain because it's got those gorgeous 2-story peak-to-peak views with the windows going in all directions. It's absolutely fantastic. But I'll get you there shortly. Why don't you come along with me? I'm going to show you right off the bat. We are going to walk into the master suite. The master suite is huge. Come on this way. And I'm just going to step right in here and step aside because this is one of those wow factor huge master suites. It does have 2 sets of sliding glass doors that go out to the lower level balcony. It's got multiple closets as well as a really nicely proportioned master bathroom. You can go in and take a quick look in there. Now, as you come back this way, you might be wondering, Theresa, what's this roof line here? That is your 2-car garage. Yes, there is a garage for this property. And again, if you've been looking at property on the mountain, you know how rare it is to actually find a garage property, especially at this price point. Why don't you go ahead and precede me? I want you to have the full experience of going up this beautiful staircase up to the great room. And the great room is our second wow factor location by far. So as you walk up, you'll find yourself in the great room, and the great room opens onto so many other locations. Go ahead and take a look at that. Look at those amazing 2-story windows, that whole from the bottom all the way up to the top, visual effect with the real tongue and groove woodwork ceilings. So nice. Now, I just want to point out, I'm going to be really quiet here for a moment. You hear that? There's actually rush hour traffic going on outside right now. This location is such that we've got the perfect location for easy commuting, easy access to everything Crestline has to offer, and yet it's so quiet inside. I love it. Before we take a look at the rest of our great room and upstairs, I just want to point out, if you come this way, I want to show you bedroom number 3, which is actually this fantastic loft space. We're going to go up there in a minute, but look at the volume and the height of these ceilings. Aren't they just fantastic? Go ahead and step this way through the great room. Take a quick peek at the kitchen. The kitchen has been upgraded with built-in under cabinet lighting, of course granite countertops, beautiful newer appliances. And I just love the feeling here too, because you can be entertaining friends while making dinner or having a glass of wine or a cup of tea or whatever you want to do, and still be connected with the rest of the house. Also on this level is bedroom number 2 and bathroom number 2. The great thing about the Prow front styling is that you have a bedroom and bathroom, actually a bedroom with a bath on at least 2 levels, with the loft being your optional 3rd, and that means that everybody can have their own little bit of privacy. Come on through this way. So I'm going to do something I don't normally do, but I just want to illustrate how fantastic these floors are. I'm going to kick off my heels here. This has got to be the softest, most plush, sink your toes into it carpet that I've been on for a while. Everything about this home has been thoughtfully designed and updated and upgraded. There's literally pretty much nothing to do with this house. It's pretty much move-in ready. So go ahead and take a trip up to the loft, and I will follow behind you because I want you to get the full effect. So if you stop for just a moment here at the top of the loft bedroom, look how beautiful the light is in here. And again, the volume of the view from top to bottom is fantastic. Now, you can use this space as the third bedroom as it was intended to be. It can be an overflow room. It could be an entertaining room, whatever you like. But I would also like to point out that with the Prow front, you still have that peak-to-peak window experience. You've got light coming through from both directions. Other things to note about this house is that we have ample storage space. There's plenty of closets, built-in cubbies, and the closets have all been updated with the customizable closet organizers, which is great. Also on premises, down off of that entry, is a set of double doors that goes to this side-by-side washer dryer and a really large utility closet. Don't forget, we do have the two-car garage that also has, interestingly enough, a half bath in the two-car garage, so that maybe if you're coming in after a day at the lake, you can stop real quickly there, you know, wash yourself off, towel yourself off, and then come up into the main house after having all that fun out at the water side. So this is Zurich Drive in the heart of downtown Crestline, California. It is a beautiful Prow front design in a great location. Every single amenity you could want. Oh gosh, did I mention that just down the street here is a really great Mexican restaurant that makes fantastic margaritas. The options here for any way you want to have your lifestyle are limitless. Now, you know the drill. If you've been keeping an eye on us before, do me a favor. This may or may not be the house for you. I certainly hope it is, but just in case it isn't, do me a really quick one. Do me a solid. Hit the like button. Give me a heart. Smash subscribe. Do whatever you're going to do so that you don't miss these updates, but also share this out to a friend who needs to see this property. And of course, depending on how you're viewing this, maybe you're seeing this on our podcast, on Instagram, on Spotify, wherever it is, just be sure that you like, heart, share, subscribe, whatever it is, so that you don't miss any of our property updates as they come across. Well, I'm pretty much sure that that's it for this one. I will see you on the next one. I'm Theresa Grant, and that's bye for now.